Hidden within India, in the southern state of Tamil Nadu, inside Chengalpattu district, lies a lake rarely noticed, yet quietly alive. Far from busy roads and human crowds, this water body remains a silent witness to nature, unprotected by fame, but protected by its isolation. It continues to support life, day after day. Both the male and female Little Grebe surface from the water. They collect floating vegetation together, moving back and forth across the lake. They begin constructing a floating nest. This floating nest is not only for the Little Grebe. It is part of a lake that gives space to many lives. Above the water, below the surface. This place supports more than one story. Even wild pigs depend on this water. In the Chengalpattu district, their numbers are high. As they move beyond the lake, nearby agricultural fields are affected. This lake is not only home to wildlife. Its water flows into nearby paddy fields and plantations. For the local farmers, it is a silent source of life. Their fields grow greener because of this hidden lake. The lake's water supports both nature and people. Within the gently floating nest, the Little Grebe lays 3 eggs. Small, fragile, and carefully placed. Snake eyes break the surface, slowly scanning the water for prey. They move close, then pass on. The floating nest remains unnoticed. For now, the eggs stay hidden, and the lake allows life to continue. The Little Grebe carefully covers the eggs, using leaves and pieces of grass. Layer by layer, it builds a natural shield, blending the nest into the water's surface. The eggs disappear beneath the cover, hidden from view, protected by the lake itself. After covering the eggs, the Little Grebe returns. It removes the layer of leaves and grass. They reinforce the nest, adding more material. The eggs are exposed again, ready for brooding. The bird settles over them, keeping them warm and safe. Both male and female work together. Each time they move, the nest shifts slightly. They adjust, stabilize, and protect the structure. Together, they keep the nest strong and steady, guarding their future inside the lake. Slowly, the shell breaks open. A tiny chick emerges, wet and fragile. The other 2 eggs remain intact, waiting quietly for their turn. They reinforce the nest, adding more material. Both the male and female search the lake for food. They bring foods to the new chick. Each feeding is a lesson in survival. They guide the chick, teaching it how to find food, how to stay close, and how to move safely on water. After some more days, the second egg finally hatches. The new chick joins its sibling in the nest. Soon after, the little grebe leaves the floating nest. It swims across the lake, moving freely with its chicks. The nest remains behind, empty and still. Inside the lake, the water is alive. Algae grows in quiet patches, feeding the entire ecosystem. Fish move through the depths, unseen but constant. The lake's life is not only on the surface. It exists in every layer. While the family begins life on the open water. One parent stays close, guarding the chicks. The other moves across the lake, searching for food. When food is found, it returns and feeds the chicks. The family continues, protected and nourished, on the water. One parent travels far to collect food, while the other stays behind to guard the chicks. When the food-carrying parent returns, the guarding parent misunderstands. It reacts as if the food is being taken away. But soon, the misunderstanding ends. The guarding parent accepts the food and passes it to the chicks. The family continues, feeding together in the calm water. As time passes, the chicks grow stronger. They begin to move more confidently on the water. Soon, more little grebes gather in the same lake. The family becomes part of a larger group. Together, they live, feed, and survive. And the water keeps their stories. Until the next season returns.